How's it going, guys? Happy Thanksgiving. How is it going? ElonCoin has had a nice recovery. Let me refresh this because it's not up to date price wise. We are at 27. I didn't think in a week from today I'd be happy to be at 27, but you know what? After that major dip we had yesterday, I'm very happy with where the chart is at right now. Nice recovery. The reason we dipped yesterday is because again this project and the launch was delayed, at least according to Astro. And I don't think it's going to happen this week anymore. I was told it would. I don't think it's going to happen anymore. So at this point, I'm just not going to listen to what people say. And when it's launched, it's launched. Until then, I don't believe anyone. That's what we're going to do. I do like these bots. I see these bots are coming in here. The volume is way higher. Still want to see that over 1 million, but this is definitely much better. The bots are here. So this is now a 5 ETH. Yesterday we saw a 5.9 ETH buy get front run. This is now a 5 ETH buy gain front run. And it sucks that you got front run for sure, especially when you're buying 5 ETH. But long term, you won't care about the price that if you bought in higher, a little bit higher. And also, it's really good when there's front running, at least for the holders that are already in, because that means that there's more volume, more redistribution. So for us holders, we love to see the bots. And obviously, as volume goes up, market cap goes up over time, the bots are going to be coming in like crazy, I think. So because if you go to like projects like Kishu and SHIB before it went parabolic, or as it was going parabolic, there was a lot of bots trading it. And as the volume picks up, more bots will come in. So it kind of sucks for the people buying, but long-term holders will love to see that. The price I still want to get above, I suppose, would be 60, that 60 level, I think. Again, I don't know how accurate these fibs are on a chart that is this low market cap. The market cap's like 18 million right now on this, with my rough math. The 618 is still up there at 60. Then you have a local high. You want to break at 85, and then you want to obviously lose a zero, which would be 15% higher than that local high we had 3 weeks ago at 85. And if you got in now at 27, back to that local high, that'd be a 3x from here. If you bought the absolute dip yesterday at 16, we'll just say 17. You did yourself a favor, and that'd be a 5x. That's insane. Back to the recent high of 3 weeks ago, that would be a 5x if you got back in. If you got in at the very bottom, but even if you get in now, that's a 3x. So, looking very good. Obviously, I think if the news didn't come out, we wouldn't have tanked. We'd still probably be around 27 or 30 because before we tanked, this is the 12-hour chart. So it was around here. Before we tanked yesterday, we were around 30 when I made the video. And it says I think that maybe we were at 27 when I made the video yesterday. I'd have to go look. Because it says in the last 24 hours, and I did this video at the same time yesterday, it looks like we haven't even changed the price after all that action. So really, it's looking like we're right back to where we were before the news. So if it weren't for the news, I think the volume would probably be around 100,000. So maybe for the long-term holders, you'll like that news because it's more volume. So there's really nothing new to say. All I know is that it's Thanksgiving, so I definitely don't expect us to launch today. And with the news saying there's going to be another delay, I don't expect us to launch this week at all. So that's about it. Long-term, very bullish. I do think we launch. Astro's put millions of dollars into this coin. He's not going to just, not do it, I don't think, because he would be losing hundreds of millions of dollars in the long run as Ethereum continues to go up because he's also locked liquidity for 100 years. So that's about all I got. I'm still holding long term, still bullish on this. Short term, who knows what's happening? Short term, it might not be bullish. Long term, it will be. And I'm looking at the long term for the rest of the bull run. That's all I got. See you guys in the next one.